वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, शुभोदय स्नेहितरे, काले वनकम नंबरगले, सुप्रभात दोस्तों। आप देख रहे हैं बकरा नई कथा है पता जस्टिका अड़ातोड़ा इंग्लिश बोटानिकल नेम, आडु मुट्टद सोप्पु कन्नड़, आडुतोड़ा एले तमिल, मेक मुट्टनियाकु तेलुगु. So this leaf is having very good benefits for corona symptoms, especially it is working on malaria, bronchitis and also asthma problems. This leaf has to be consumed raw. You can take one leaf, put in a mixie, put water, mix it, and you grind it and you can drink directly, so that it acts as an antimucolytic. See, people who are suffering from corona, so they have respiratory problem, oxygen saturation very low, because the oxygen exchange takes place in alveoli. Alveoli is the last place where oxygen and carbon dioxide takes exchanges. In that places there is a mucus filled, so that there is no exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, so saturation level is coming down. Even after giving oxygen also patient is not recovering. In such cases, one leaf, if you can grind it properly in the mixie and you drink that with little bit honey raw, so your problem is solved, so your breathing level will improve. So similarly, whatever symptoms they are telling for second wave, like intestinal problem, like shivering, whatever it is there, body pain, everything will be reduced. So this is having lot of medicinal value. Even Jesus Christ was a shepherd. Even if any goat eats this leaf, it faints, because it is having a medicinal value. So this is Justica adatoda, botanical name, Adu todada elai, Tamil, Adu muttada soppu Kannada, Meka muttaniyaku Telugu. So now in corona peak season, people are suffering with lot of oxygen. There is no stock of oxygen, people are unable to recover. So in such cases, one leaf you can make a decoction and you can drink, or you can grind it in the mixie raw, you can drink with honey, or you can drink directly bitter. So this is having lot of medicinal property. So many immune booster you are taking, like vitamin C, zinc, all, that is all immune boosters, that will increase your immune booster and it may kill the virus. But secondary infections like chest infection, opacities, when you do CT scanning you feel opacities, there is patches on lungs, so all that will be healed with this leaf. So signing off, Guru Shri, your spiritual healer from Agastya Healing Center. For online consultation, online treatment, follow Purika Bioscience, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. So this is Justica Adatoda, Adu Toda the Ele, Meka Muttaniyaku, Adu Soge Ele. So this is having very good results on respiratory problem. If you have in your native place, you can consume this. Otherwise, contact us. We'll courier you, or we'll give you in Bangalore directly home delivery. So if you consume this leaf every day, grind it and drink, so your respiratory problem is solved. Along with immune boosters, you can enjoy your life. So this is a very good solution. You can cross check in your Google also. Adatoda, Justica Adatoda, it is its benefits about respiratory tract infection and all. So it is having very good results. So kindly friends, share this information to all the people. People are dying without oxygen. With this leaf, you can solve your problems of corona. So other things like immune boosters you can take, but this leaf is a remedy for oxygen saturation. So that alveoli, where the oxygen carbon dioxide exchange in the lung, their mucus is filled with in the alveoli. So this will reduce that mucus as an anti-mucolytic, and you will be having breathe easy. So your breathing will be easy. For more updates follow Purika Bioscience, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. Contact me if any doubt how to consume this one. Anybody can consume this one, from child to adult. So this is a very good medicinal plant. The only plant which goat is not eating is this Justica adatoda. Goat will eat n number of leaves, but it will not eat Justica adatoda. You can see this leaf plant. So I am in Shimoga. This is a full forest area. Especially I came to pluck these leaves to help the people who are suffering from breathing problem. So kindly sign up with Purika Bioscience for more details. If you want to meet in person directly, we have a healing center in KGF. So Agastya Healing Center, you can walk in KGF Anderson Pet. So for more remedies, for more immune boosters also you can contact us. We have high level immune boosters. Already I shared immune boosters in WhatsApp, Facebook, Purika Bioscience, Twitter, LinkedIn. Thank you very much. Signing off, your spiritual guru. Thank you.